Zombie apocalypse.
Hello and welcome back to Decorlay. Lay what you love. If you are looking for organizer which can be freestanding and no installation required for storage, then Decorlay presents to you this 2-tier kitchen storage corner rack. Specially designed to use vertical storage space, easy to use, wash and handle. It is highly strong and sturdy. This rack is constructed with heavy duty and 100% rust resistant chromed wire which is powder coated, which possesses incredible durability without losing its strength and also gives a unique finish that stays for a long time. This kitchen rack is designed to help you keep your plates neatly organized so they can be easily located when you need them the most. It maximizes the vertical space in any cupboard, countertop, or under the sink area with a large capacity. This storage rack is designed to fit the majority of kitchen cupboards for an easy way to increase storage space. Fits neatly in the corner of your cupboard and will hold weight of up to 5 kg on shelf. The dimension of this product is 25 by 25 centimeters. Boost your kitchen cupboard storage quickly and easily with this 2-tier corner plate rack. Elegant design with dividers helps you organize lids, plates, baking sheets, cutting boards and more. You can also use to dry and store dishes, plates, pot lids, cutting boards, bakeware, serving trays, placemats, etc. If you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share my video with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching my video till end.